Good morning, students. In the last period, definition of partial fraction, proper fraction and improper fraction, and working rule number 1 to 5. Working rule number that is 1 is if the denominator is non-repeated linear factor. So in this case you have to suppose a divided by first factor, then plus b divided by second factor. If the rule number 2, denominator is repeated linear factor, suppose that is 2 times repeated linear factor, a divided by first x minus a plus b divided by x minus a bracket to raised to square. Next third rule, if the denominator is non-repeated linear factor 3 times, so a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus b plus c divided by x minus c. If the denominator is, so one factor is repeated, another one is a simple factor. In this case you have to suppose the partial fraction of a divided by first x minus a plus b divided by x minus a bracket to raised to square root plus c divided by x minus, that is a b. In the last fifth one, working rule, if the denominator is one factor is so simple factor, another one factor is that is quadratic factor. In this case you have to suppose a divided by so first factor, then plus quadratic factor bx plus c divided by x square plus bx plus c. So you have to suppose working rule. These are the 5 working rule. Okay, so in the last period only one problem depend on, that is rule number 1 is completed, working rule number 1. So today I want to discuss another 3 examples, so depend on, so that is 5 rules. Okay, so in the first one problem, evaluate the integral of, that is 2x divided by x square plus 3x plus, that is 2 into, that is dx. So first your duty is to identify is it a proper or improper fraction. So numerator degree, degree of, that is if px is less than the degree of, that is qx. So therefore it is a, so that is a proper fraction. So proper fraction ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 to 5 ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಐತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, so first solution for the first one example. Example number 1. So that is integral of, right, that is 2x divided by 2x divided by, right, that is x square root, then plus that is 3x, then plus that is 2 into that is dx. So denominator observe ಮಾಡಿ. Denominator ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾನ, so factorization ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, x square plus 3x plus that is 2 equation is given. So first your duty is to factorize the denominator. So denominator factorize ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, right, that is x square, then plus that is 2 plus that is 3x plus that is 2 ಅನ್ನು factorize ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore that is x square factors, that is 2x, then plus x, then plus that is 2. By taking x as common, that is x plus that is 2. So next term ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 common ತೆಗೆದರೆ simply, right, that is x plus 2. Therefore the factors are, that is x plus 1 or that is x plus that is 2. So denominator x square plus 3x plus 2 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು factorize ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So factorize ಮಾಡಿ, so integral of, right, that is 2x divided by denominator x square plus 3x plus 2 factors are, right, that is x plus that is 1 multiplied by that is x plus 2 into that is dx. So just you have to observe the denominator, right, that so given things, that is 2x divided by, right, that is x plus 1 multiplied by that is x plus that is 2. Is it a proper or improper fraction? So this is clearly proper fraction. Degree, numerator degree, denominator degree ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾನೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಸೊ 2 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಪ್ರಕಾರ we have to suppose a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by that is x plus 2. So this is equal to, so denominator non-repeated linear factor a divided by first one that is x plus 1 and then plus that is b divided by that is x plus that is 2. So follows this is equation number 1. Next, your duty is to anyhow you have to find the value for that is a and b. Capital letter a and b value ana find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So that is 2x as it is 2x divided by denominator that is x plus that is 1 multiplied by that is x plus 2 as it is by taking the LCM. Next two term ನಲ್ಲಿ LCM ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಿ. So by taking the LCM cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರ್ತದ or by taking just by taking the LCM. So LCM is that is x plus 1 multiplied by that is x plus 2. So a is multiplied by this term, b is multiplied by this term. Therefore a in the bracket that is x plus that is 2. Then the plus that is b in the bracket, right, that is x plus 1. Denominator. So you will do denominator and cancel ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore the given things, right, that is 2x is equal to a in the bracket that is x plus that is 2, then plus that is b in the bracket, right, that is x plus that is 1. To equate each factor is equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿ. x plus 2 equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ put x is equal to minus 2. First factor ಯಾವುದು x plus 2 ಅದ, put x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2. Right, that is put so x is equal to that is minus 2 in the above equation. Equation ದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿ. Therefore 2 multiplied by that is minus 2 is equal to a in the bracket x ದಲ್ಲಿ minus 2 to minus 2. Then the plus that is 2, then the plus that is b in the bracket minus 2, then the plus that is 1. Again you have to simplify, right, that is minus that is 4 is equal to a multiplied by that is 0, minus 2 plus 2 andre totally that is 0, then the plus that is b in the bracket minus 2 plus 1 means that is minus 1. Again you have to write in the simplest form, minus that is 4 is equal to minus and that is b. Both sides minus minus is there, minus is get cancelled. Therefore b is equal to, simply b is equal to that is 4. We get the value for that is b. Then come to the next one. So to find the value for that is a second factor ಯಾವುದು x plus 1 ಅದ, put x plus 1 equal to 0 or take x plus 1 is equal to 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ put x is equal to minus 1. Right, that is put so that is x is equal to that is minus 1 in above equation. Equation ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಅನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿ. Okay, right, that is 2 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to capital letter a in the bracket minus 1, then the plus that is 2, then capital letter that is b in the bracket x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ತುಂಬಿ, minus 1 plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. So that is b is clearly 0. And then come to next one important step, minus that is 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 means that is simply that is a positive 8. Therefore the value for a is equal to that is minus 2. Substitute the values of shortcut ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, right, that is sub. Substitute the right, that is value of capital letter that is a and that is b in equation number that is 1. Equation number 1 ದಲ್ಲಿ capital letter a and b ಅನ್ನು substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Equation number 1 implies, so this is equal to a means that is minus 2 divided by minus 2 divided by that is x plus 1, and then the plus that is b. B means that is 4 divided by, right, that is x plus that is 2 on integrating, then direct integrate ಮಾಡಿ. So integral of minus that is 2 divided by x plus 1 into that is dx, then the plus integral of, right, that is 4 divided by x plus that is 2 into that is dx. So integration ನಲ್ಲಿ, so one important concept is So ಯಾವುದನ್ನು x ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. Therefore, so that is minus 2 into integral of 1 divided by x plus 1 into that is the dx, then plus 4 outside the integration symbol 4 into 1 divided by that is x plus 2 into that is dx. So integrate the x. So first integral ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, numerator is the derivative of the denominator ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ then the integration is log of the denominator minus that is 2 into log of that is mod of the denominator x plus 1, then plus that is 4. Numerator is the derivative of the denominator, then the integration is log of the denominator. So 4 into log of mod of, right, that is x plus 2, then plus constant that is c. So further if you are interested to simplify, so that is a positive term on the first binary 4 into log of mod of that is x plus that is 2, then minus that is 2 into log of mod of that is x plus 1, then plus that is c. And then next your duty is to apply the logarithm property. Logarithm property means that is k into, so that is log p. This is nothing but, so that is log of, right, that is the p rest, that is the k. On the same line, so apply the logarithm property k log p. K log p means that is log of, very simple, log of that is mod of x plus that is 2, k to rest, that is 4, and then minus k log p, right, that is log of mod of that is x plus that is 1, k to rest square root, and then plus that is c. Again you have to apply the logarithm property, log a minus that is log b. Log a minus log b means that is log of a by b. So that is log of mod of a means that is x plus that is 2, k to rest that is 4, divided by b means that is x plus 1, k to rest square root, then plus that is the constant c. You know that logarithm property, right, that is log a, and then minus that is log b is equal to log of that is a divided by b. By applying the same property in logarithm, log a minus that is log b is nothing but log of a by b, then plus integration constant plus c. Okay, then come to another one example.